Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to delete Meta AI on Facebook. So actually, it is very easy and simple to delete the Meta AI if you don't like it. So for that, first you have to simply open to your Facebook app. Once the app gets open, you have to click onto the three lines which is on the top right side. Once you tap onto it, many different options will come up on your screen. Now from there we have to click on help and support because we have to go to its support chat. Then you can click on report a problem, click on OK and shake your phone and then click on report problem. Then you have to click on don't include. If it added any picture, remove it. And there you have to say that remove Meta AI because you don't like it. If you have any reasons for that, you can just simply add up here. And once you're done, you can just simply send it. For that, you have to click on this send option, which is on the top right corner. Once you tap onto it, your query will be sent as a report to Facebook Deep, and once they see it, they will work onto it. So that's how you can delete the Meta AI on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.